Good morning. This is your DAX day trade setups for today, technical analysis, where I go through the charts, setting up my trades for the day. Anyway, Friday started off pretty interesting. We had the massive gap down and then we closed even. In other words, the buyers came in from the gap bottom and stayed in pretty much all the way. So we've closed on a high. As far as we're concerned, the trend is up. Now, yes, we've had this little area of sideways action here, but the trend is still up. Okay, and I think that's the one thing we mustn't lose sight of. Doesn't matter which way you draw that line, the trend is up. Price is gradually grinding higher. So as you can see, here was a big gap down, and I don't even think it was off a level. It was kind of off a level. There's our level there, and buyer stepping up. What can I say? We should be looking for longs. Every pullback is an opportunity to buy. I don't like this price action of the last 26 bars, and as a result, I'm really not interested in trading the DAX at the moment. It's going to have to get some kind of direction. At the moment, for me, this is directionless. There are better opportunities to trade than the DAX for me right now. So, even breaking down to the hour, you'll see we've got sort of a series of lower highs here, but that could also be a consolidation there, being a flag in between two levels. So obviously we need a breakup above 11,269 for a long, or below 10,867 for a short. I think for me today, DAX just doesn't do anything for me right now. It doesn't matter what time frame I look at this. This kind of nonsense here is nothing that interests me, because it's just an indication that there is no clear trend. Okay. Yes, granted, the daily trend is up and you should be buying. So, that's just, to me, is just a case of, if I do buy off a low level, the probability of me making a bit of money is good. But the probability of me getting a swing trade in on this is pretty much null and void. Okay. I mean, you can see, if you just look at the 15 minutes, we open low and we rally. Then we gap down and we rally. Gap down, rally. So now the buyers are there. They are interested. But I think I'm rather just going to wait for this. If this trend does break, there is probably a short scalp on offer. And you can see this area is not exact. Maybe we should actually just do it on the hour. There we go. Okay, so you can see, there's my inside bar there. We are above it. Here's my other inside bars here, so we are above that as well. We're right on the trend line. Right now, futures is 0. Okay, so there is a probability of a breakout here. So I suppose the trade to the upside would be pretty much a break and retest of 11,122, and that would give me a stop. I'd want to stop around here. So that's a 50-point stop loss. But that's not a bad trade with a potential breakout here. But I think my target would definitely be capped by 11,169. But I suppose that's a 50-point risk for 190-point gain. Not a bad trade for the day. So I'll take that back. I think I'll watch this for a setup. But that's pretty much going to be my cap. And did that gap close? That's the question here. We still have a gap open as well. So let's just refine that target. So we want to trade from there, 50-point stop loss for a 75-point gain. Okay, pretty much take profit at this area here, because then I would expect to pull back onto this trend line to test it. That'll give me another opportunity for a long. Okay, so I think that's pretty much the trade that's on offer. Almost a 1-to-1 trade, so a 1 to 1.5 trade. That's not too bad. Profit's profit. But yeah, I wouldn't expect any more than that today. USA is on holiday this afternoon, so your trading session is short today, pretty much only during the European session. And then you're free to go and spend the rest of the day sitting in the sun. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.